Hey gang.
Hey gang.
Today, we're going to be reviewing something else. The original Milka milk chocolate bar from Deutschland.
This one has no filling.
Yeah, it's just plain.
Hashtag no filter.
Dude,
Sleep.
this one isn't. Never mind.
This one's melting a little bit.
She kind of flaccid.
There you go. That's the way we like them.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm not gonna eat all of that, bro.
Yeah. Yes, you are. Alright.
Dink.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Dude, this would be good as fuck on a s'more.
Well, I'm getting almost like a nutty taste.
Yeah, it tastes like Nutella a little bit, so like.
Are there nuts in it? It might, or turn it around.
It has a hazelnut paste, yeah.
Okay. So maybe this isn't original hot milk chocolate.
Yeah, maybe not. Unless it is. I don't know.
I don't think so.
Dude, it's so malleable.
Those are giving me taco beef flashbacks.
I know, dude. Me after done with taco beef. Wait, it has to be on these fingers though.
You want my thumb? Okay.
I didn't even get out.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
I'd rate it probably maybe like a 7 out of 10. It's like pretty good,
I would give it
but not like crazy good.
I would give it an 8 just because I feel like it's better than the Aero stuff. But I kind of wish we got the actual milk chocolate one so I could try that.
I didn't see any others. I just saw that one, so. But good. Tastes like Nutella a little bit. I say better than Nutella though.
Or I wouldn't say it tastes like Nutella. It just has hazelnuts in it, and so that's why. Take it, boy. Okay. What would you rate it from my fingers?
From your fingers, dude?
Yeah, because it has like the extra salt.
I was like 11.
And sweat. That's the highest rating we've ever got.
That's with fingers though. Without, 7.
So in total, 7.5 out of 10 Poggers.
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to press the button since I've...
Yeah.
See you again.
See you again.